Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome. Today we'll be looking at a strategy that you can use to buy on Binance. The moment you log in, just go to losers. Okay, you can see my listing is on losers. If you go to losers, choose the particular coin that you want to buy. Just choose. On this place, I'm going to go into take YFI, sorry. I'm going to take this YFI. You see where it's currently. It's on a neutral movement, and once you see this neutral movement, it has a 60% possibility of going up and a 40% possibility of going down. Okay, if you have interest on this, please subscribe to my channel. Do make sure you share the video and do hit the notification, turn on the notification bell, so that any video I drop, it will get to you immediately. Okay, so I didn't be I know this before. Binance would have been better. Okay, Binance was hard until I discovered these very strategies. Okay, so let's go into it. We have choose a YFI coin, and we are going to buy this one tonight. Okay, assuming you want to buy it with $100, you'll see the volume that you are going to have. If you buy it at 8940, our interest is for it to increase to 9 something, so that we can make an interest. Okay, but don't forget, the more you buy, the more profit you will make. Okay, if you buy with 100 USDT, you'll make quickly than somebody who is using 10 USDT or 20 USDT. Okay, so on this very place now, you have seen the volume of the YFI. You have seen the rate that is currently, which is the 8937. Here is reading 897. You know, it doesn't stand in one place, it keeps reading. Okay, so we are going to buy with 100 USDT. If you put 100 USDT, the volume that you will be allocated with will show it to you in the YFI volume. 100 USDT will give us 0.01115. Okay, now you can get this clearly. Okay, so the moment you input this, all you just need to do, you click on buy, and you will be executed, and your market will be executed immediately. Okay, so as I told you earlier, Binance was very difficult until I discovered this. And one thing about me is that I don't sell. But eventually this one started going down now. I don't sell until I make profits. Okay, so try to adapt to this, share and enjoy. Thank you.